In this video, we're going to show you how to use your CommBox Classic Whiteboard. From the home screen, tap on the sidebar menu and select Whiteboard. Now let's start with our background, templates and colors. Select Menu and Theme. You have a range of templates available ready for your use. Select the one you want to use, then move over to Background. You have access to a range of colors to use as your background color. When ready, select OK. Your CommBox Classic comes with two stylus. You have a thin end and a thick end. You can control these with the pen icon at the bottom of your whiteboard. Your erase icon allows you to erase a particular part of your whiteboard. With your CommBox whiteboard, you also have access to rulers, right angles and a protractor. Under the Shapes tab, we have access to 2D shapes and 3D shapes. We also have a Snap to Shape feature. The preview icon allows you to see everything on the screen. It also allows you to adjust the screen size and move it to a particular part on the whiteboard. Our Clear All feature will allow you to reset your whiteboard. Pair mode will allow you to have up to 4 people up writing on the whiteboard at one time. You can select from the 4 different colors. Tap on the back icon to navigate back to your whiteboard. We have more features available to you in our whiteboard. We have a table. We have a mind map function that allows you to start brainstorming with the click of a button. Sticky notes allow you to take notes during a meeting and pin them to the side. The grid feature allows you to change from handwriting to text. Your CommBox whiteboard has the ability to have multiple whiteboard pages open. You can toggle through these using the previous and next arrows, and if you select on page number, it'll bring up all the whiteboards you have. There are multiple ways to export your whiteboard. If you tap on Share, this will export your whiteboard into a QR code. Then you're able to come up with your phone and scan this QR code. There are more saving options under Menu. You can save directly to your cloud storage, your OneDrive or your Google Drive. You can send yourself an email. You can also export in many different formats. You can also save directly to the CommBox internal storage by clicking on Save As. To save your whiteboard directly to your USB, insert your USB to the front of the screen. Tap on Menu, then Export. Select your format and tap on USB. Our CommBox whiteboard also allows you to teach directly from the PDF. Our CommBox whiteboard also allows you to annotate over the top of a PDF. Insert your USB with your PDF directly to the front of the screen. Select on Menu, then Import. Now find your PDF and select OK. Adjust the size of your PDF to suit. Then under Pen, select the highlighter function. Select your color, and now with your CommBox stylus, highlight or annotate over the top of your PDF. Under the Pen function, we also have a magic wand available for you to use. Magic Wand converts your drawing into an actual drawing for all those artists out there. We hope you enjoy your whiteboard.